Hey guys. I just went to drop in Kelly, came back from town, so haven't seen you guys in a while. This is my friend Sylvia.
We're watching you guys.
Nice. You guys having a good day or what? Yeah, we are actually. Beautiful day. We just had to go up Fort McMurray, all the smoke and everything. So we got to get away. There? It's brutal. See, our neighborhood was on fire this.
That's terrible.
So that little come out of the ground and Jasper too. Just it's a phenomenal year. So that's Mike's new box. Is that? See, he's got a new radio in there.
Is there?
No. Actually, listen, I don't mind these cars.
It's nice.
It's a nice car, actually.
Yeah, it's nice.
I like it. It's nice and small.
Yeah, you're right. It's not too big.
Actually got some normal seats in it. I couldn't have been, who picked the seats out? It couldn't have been
I
nice.
forced him to get good seats for the trip.
Like, it can't be his fault.
Lots of room actually in there.
It can't be his choosing.
No, it wasn't.
It's gonna.
It was my influence. Oh. Let's go see Michael.
That's all right. I like it. It looks good.
There he is.
How's it going? You got your cherry almost done? It looks good. It looks good.
No, say it ain't so, Abe. Come on, give us the Avery Shoaf. Nitpick it to you can do it, buddy.
I'm sure if I looked at it long enough, I could.
Yeah, you could.
It looks good.
Drives like a fun. Drives beautiful.
Like, you got nice low profile tires on it. You got.
Well, those are the ones off the Chevelle we drove across.
Are they?
Yeah. Oh, is it? Okay, certainly here. Okay.
4 seconds of focus.
How could I say?
Connor.
Avery,
What are you doing, Connor?
it's like a Rust Bros reunion.
Yeah.
This car's going to Newfoundland.
You're not
Driving with me,
Yeah.
are you?
I've been here since.
No.
I ride with them
Lord, Connor, and Jesus.
very well.
Okay.
Oh, you're flying.
Avery. Well, see, you don't want a picture with him.
Avery, too.
Okay, get in here.
Oh, yeah.
Just don't get her dirty.
Why got so many shirts in
Give me
there?
dirty.
Your dad stole them all from me. Your dad owes me large.
Connor, get in here.
Come on, Connor.
Come on, Connor.
God.
Well, I like it. Normally we. Okay, Connor doesn't like my sweaty armpits.
Perfect.
I love it.
Okay, well, that's
Nice.
about it. First time Avery's been here in months. Same thing with him. So
It was meant to be.
here, Abe, talk to your mom.
I don't want to talk to my f***ing mother.
Answer.
The last f***ing person.
Speakerphone.
Hey, Helen,
Up to his ear. Put it up to his ear.
we're just leaving.
But the starter even starts good on.
Yes. No, Helen, they aren't good. You don't need them. Nope, like I said, the one's a fifth wheel and the other one is just garbage.
Okay, that's the one that had a stove in it down on the other field at one time?
Nope, totally different ones.
Oh, a different one. Because I seen it in the picture. I was going to ask you about the other day.
Hey, you can say hi to your son.
Under the bumper.
What's that?
Your son is right here.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Here, talk to your mom. I gotta have a shower.
Mike, zip cut.
Okay.
Why is that f***ing motor mount bolt so f***ing loose? Is there a nut on it?
Yes.
Why is it that loose?
Oh, maybe there isn't. Should be. Maybe because Blair
Which
couldn't
one?
get at it. Which one?
It's hot.
It's tight. What are you talking
Yeah,
about?
it's tight. It just needs a washer.
It's tight.
Needs a
What are
washer.
you talking about?
You can
What
see
bolt
air.
are you
It
looking
right
at?
here. It looks like there's air.
No. You need glasses, Abe. Where are your glasses? He's trying real hard to critique it,
Mike,
isn't he?
zip cut.
It doesn't
See
look
the
like.
back and
Anyways.
everything.
Michael, zip cut.
Yeah. I was wanting to be back down there by now, but haven't gone
Oh,
there yet.
yeah, perfect.
But anyways,
Why wouldn't you put a washer on a f***ing bolt hard washer?
I'm a little pissed off at my renter out there at the farm. So I think what I'm going to do is when his when his time comes due on those pieces of lease, I'm just going to cancel these and tell him they're not going to be for sale because he he gets first right of refusal if we decided to sell it.
Perfect.
To hell with him. But to hell with him.
There you go.
You never signed the other part of the lease.
Anyways, no, I've never signed nothing. I never got any money out of it either, come to think of it.
Ask her when she's coming down.
Well, he was going to pay the taxes or whatever, and I've been paying the taxes on everything.
Well, sounds like a pretty good deal for somebody.
And I think he was renting it for $500 or something. That's not enough money. And I think he sold, and I think blasts his hay, and so he'll be getting about $30 an acre for cutting the hay off, for the hay's getting off.
That's your doing. I'm staying out of it. Okay, I got it. When are you coming down here?
Well, I wanted to be there when they headed down, and I was going to follow with the pickup and go back east.
So yeah, you're on glue. Yeah, yeah, exactly, yeah.
With the doctors here, and they don't know if they're going to be able to do heart valve surgery on my heart or not.
Well, they got to find your heart first.
They said you'd not be a good candidate.
Yeah, well, they got to have a heart to find one, don't you? This
Well, I think I've had that whole
Hey, don't be rude to your mom.
I never could swim or nothing because I was too short of breath.
You couldn't swim. Well, you couldn't swim because you were too short of breath. We're sure.
Well, that's your heart can make you that way.
I'm sure it can.
And I got a hole in it when they
It didn't ever stop you from leaping into a garbage can and picking all your out that I threw out. You can't swim, but you can jump into a garbage can like a gazelle to go dig through all the garbage I throw out of yours.
Well, that's hay. Haven't even been doing that lately. That was what kept the guy in shape.
There you go.
Fran, she's got a room in the care home right now for a while.
Anyway.
She gets 4 stents put in her heart to clean out her arteries. She wouldn't listen to me when I told her, don't eat bread, milk, and sugar because that causes cholesterol.
Yeah, what about you? You said you listen to yourself. You need to go on a diet.
You probably threw them in the garbage by now.
Anyway.
$40 for that bottle.
Okay, I'm getting the hell off here. Okay, looking forward to seeing you. Love you. Bye.
Are you flying down?
She loves you so much, Avery, no matter what a pain in the ass you are. But she is.
That's interesting.
What they do?
Don't mind you, there's
Take it apart, tell me. Hey?
That's all right. They got solid mounts on them. If there's other motor mounts, you got the whole. It's pretty short. That stent of hose right here. See right here, how short that piece of hose is.
Okay.
Right there. If that motor vibrates at all, it's pretty hard on that hose. It'll work it to death.
Really?
And why did you run that piece of distributor in there?
Oh, why? What's the matter?
Yeah, it's not that bad, but he should have put a.
What, a different one?
Here. I'll do some custom work for him right here.
What is it? Don't break it.
There.
What is it?
Well, the fuel line was a little bit too high.
Oh, why? So gravity? Or just easier? Why fight it? Hey?
No.
Okay, let's go see what they're doing inside.
I don't understand why he would do this.
Do
I
what?
really don't understand. Is this a numbers matching car? Why would he do this? Spend this much money on a car and power it with this old antiquated piece of motor?
He just paid. He paid to like it's rebuilt.
Why would he do that?
It was a new rebuild.
But I don't give a shit how new it is.
It was free.
Why would he do that? Why would he not put a new LS in this?
I don't know.
Because when it comes time to sell it, it's got way more value. The only reason I would do that is if it had the original motor, original serial numbers and stuff on it. Whatever.
In his mind, it was better on fuel.
No, it's not. It's not even close.
And the 502.
No, 502 is a joke. You put a LS in it.
Yeah, yes, that's better. I'm just saying. I don't know.
It's not my problem. Let's see right here. Back in the day, these double bump heads right here. Right there. These double bump heads right there with the cowell bump on them.
Yeah.
Like, that was the head sought after for all the times. But there's no mounting brackets on here for anything, for accessories. So you got a 16-foot long here arm there for there. But usually, you have a piece right here. There's a foot that goes right here to keep the belt from vibrating off. Like, you may lose the fan belt on this thing sometime throughout the course of your journey.
Really?
Yeah, it'll vibrate. Sometimes you high rev it, it'll blow off. So right there, and go like that and jump off.
Do that again. Where?
Right here.
Okay.
But usually they got little thing rides on their little shoe that keeps the vibration down. But these heads were cats back in the day. Nowadays they're just junk. Like you just throw them in the garbage. They're no good for all. You put a set of sawtooth Vortec heads on them, even the 202 angle plugs. They make 40 horse out of the box, more than whatever you can do to these heads.
Really?
Yeah.
And they're cheap?
They're whatever. You get power. But again, I would have never done this. It looks good, but I would have never done it. The car's worth too much money to put that motor in it. What was this? What is with him and no power steering?
I don't know. It's just 'cause it's on the highway. It's like easy, smooth.
I really like these seats. I actually really like this car, like a lot, like lots. Like I would drive this thing and be happy about it. Anyways, he's got a good piece.
Let's go see these guys inside.
That could come out nice. Hey, Mike!
What?
Okay, so you're leaving tomorrow, hey?
No, we're leaving in like 30 minutes.
Right.
Yes,
The 30 minutes,
we're leaving in 30 minutes. Everything's loaded. I gotta put my pants in. I'm taking a shower and we're gone.
Avery, you want to see a good one?
We're leaving.
Are you leaving?
We'll see you there, big
See
fella.
you there.
Okay.
Yourself. I like that car, by the way.
Okay.
See you in Toronto.
There. Look in there when you see.
Anyways,
Come to here. It's easy.
cool. What are you doing with this mule?
Just pick it up so I can take a corner off for a spare tire.
What's the bottom look like when we hit that pot, that big manhole?
I was gonna
Take a
crank
look.
up too.
What do you hit it with? Look.
We got a manhole.
Hey.
full.
Where is it?
Just wait.
Where?
Wait. Ready? You see the bounce in it?
Listen to the bearing. The bearing looks like
One more.
it's
Keep
going to fall
going.
out.
Keep going.
The bearing's done.
Again.
I'd stick my finger in this rim, but it'll snag me on the brake caliper, and I don't want to do that. Mike did that with
Boy, that bearing's bad. Listen to this. Get down here. Listen to it.
Well, it's only got 20,000 miles on it in the last year and a half. Without an oil change.
He doesn't take oil, does it? You're supposed to be ready in 20 minutes. Hurry up. Hurry up. Yeah.
Are we staying at Jeremiah's?
Yeah. Do you see what's happening in Golden right now? Oh yeah, half of Golden's getting evacuated already.
We won't be able to get through.
Better hurry. What's just south of Golden?
Head down to Radiant.
No, not that far.
the cusp?
Not that far. No, it's like just outside.
Field?
No, there's a little like sub community of Golden.
Highway was closed there last night, I think.
That's where Shama, one of the guys that works for me, lives there.
I tell you what.
Evacuation order.
I gotta go up through the Pine Pass to get home.
You take Highway 40?
No, it's closed through Jasper, so I gotta
Evacuation order update, July 25th, 2:05 p.m. They're actually rescinding the evacuation order for properties east side of Highway 95 by Birchlands and Campbell Road. Chalmers Road, Campbell Road, Mitchell Road. Evacuation order remains in effect for the following properties along the west side of Highway 95. Thomas Road, Parson River Crossing, Malone Road, Rouch Road.
So Highway 1 still good?
As of right now.
Better drive like
Evacuation alert for Allen Road, Bear Creek Road, Birchlands, portions of Campbell Road, Chalmers Road, Highway 95, Elmer Road, Jones Road, McMurdo Road. It's like
there's roads.
the fire's just.
Okay,
south of
anyways,
Golden
guys.
moving in.
Okay, see you guys later.
Okay, see you at Toronto-ish. Bye.
Bye.